Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to log into Chamberlain University. So guys, go to this official website chamberlain.education, and if you don't apply guys, or you don't have any account this university platform, just click apply and fill this information. And if you have already account, just click this here, current student. As you can see here guys, scroll down and you find this current student community login. Click this one and click student login. As you can see here, this first option. After that guys, click your name and your password guys. After that, click just connection and you will log in successfully on your account. So guys, this is basically easy as you can see, and I hope guys this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to like, share this video, subscribe to my channel for more content, and see you another video soon guys. I'll see you soon.